Outputting text from your program is one of the fundamental elements of Python. We can use a function called print in Python to be able to output text. This is written like so. First we write the name of the function, in this case called print. Then we open up and close our brackets. Inside the brackets, we can type what we want to print. Because we are writing this text inside, we need to put speech marks around what we want to print out. I'm going to write "Hello World." If I now run this program, we can see in our shell window our program outputs to the screen "Hello World." We can call a print statement as many times as we want. I'm going to create a program here that counts down from 10. Remember that our program runs in a sequence from top to bottom, line by line. If I run this program, you can see this sequence play out.